Clark International Speedway for 2015 Philippine Motorsports Championships. We are about to witness a breathtaking finale which finally tells us the RB brothers' fate in the Pirelli Cup.
Yung specific dedicated practice for road racing, to be perfectly honest, wala. Ang pinaka-factor ng kanilang preparation for circuit racing is they're riding their motorcycles every day. Their KTM RC390s.
So yung passion namin talagang masaya din magmotor kahit ano mangyari. Basta ingat lang palagi.
Hopefully maganda yung race ngayon.
Also, we are here to watch the Superbikes last leg. A lot of freebies were given away and the whole event ended with a blast.
We are XtremeRiders!
Subscribe now for more news and ride with us only here at
XtremeRiders!